Dada! Dada, dada! Mom. Dada! Dada, good job! Dada? Dada? Dada, dada! Dada, good job, honey. You said it. Dada. Oh, there she goes. I was waiting for it. There she goes. But your ankle. Whoop. Oh, I almost. Oh, your ankle, your little ankle. Nora, you're such a little girl. You're such a little girl. Look at you. You look like a midget when you do that. Are you going to start walking? Are you going to start walking like your brother? Nora, come here. Let's see if we can get down. Come here, Nora. Come to Mama. Come, Mama. Come, Mama.